So you're launching a new item, but you don't quite have everything ready just yet. My name is Stephen Pope. I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through why you need to set both the release date and the launch date, or you'll have something that will end up looking like this. This is when an item has the launch date set, so you can't buy it yet, but the release date hasn't been moved out either. And in reality, what we really want to see is something like this, where it's not connected to the parentage. Now, we have a placeholder image here. We're about to launch this new soap. We've got the, bullet points and the title filled out, but we don't have any of our secondary images ready. We don't have the A+ content ready. We've built the parentage. We've done all the right things that we need to do to get this thing kind of halfway there, but we're waiting on some assets. So let me show you what to do in Seller Central. So grab the SKU in question and go over to inventory page and hit edit on it. I'll move my video here so you can see I'm hitting the edit button right here. And we've got a nice new additional SKU to our soap sets because we've had a really good launch. We're in the top 12,000 in beauty right now. So what you need to do is go over into the more details section. And in here, either Control F, Command F if you're on Apple, and type in release, and you can go down and scroll down and find, here are both the things. So there's a difference between launch date and release date. The launch date is when it first can be available for sale, but the release date is when you can actually visibly see it. So the tooltips here, I'll read those out loud. Launch date, this is the date when customers will start viewing this product on Amazon. And then release date, this is the field used to set up pre-orders and is the date when pre-ordered product will be available to be shipped to customers. So both of these need to be filled in, and failure to do so will allow the item to be visible before you maybe want that to go up. And this is impactful because of the honeymoon period. You want to make sure, first of all, it's a bad customer experience to have a half-optimized listing when it first launches to begin with. So conversion rate's going to suck. Nobody wants to see that half-baked listing, right? But the honeymoon period, which a lot of people think lasts about 30 days, starts once you get your first sale on the listing. And so if you get a onesie, twosie sale, that's not good enough. You want to be getting into the handfuls of sales, dozens of sales right out of the gate, so you index for as many keywords as possible. So make sure you set both of these, and then that way, when you go over onto the listing, you'll see it's not available. Here's the rest of these SKUs that we sell with the soap. So now we've already built the parentage. They're already connected, but there's only the two available, not the third one, not that much of soap. It's not ready yet. But we've got the fruity and the masculine ready to roll, and they're available right now. So feel free to check out our other videos on tips on how to launch products. Watch this playlist here, and thanks for watching.